Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So, still got the levels in from yesterday. You can see this is the area that we need to be paying attention. Did bounce off, and as I said to you yesterday, not interested in shorts down here, only really looking for shorts higher up. We're at the first level, and then there is another level just higher up above us as well. We do have a crossover here of our moving averages, indicating a bearish trend, and we do have a crossover here of the oscillators indicating a bullish reversal. So the rate of still stays the same as what we were looking at yesterday, and that is quite simply we need to pay attention to this area. Don't like the price action I'm seeing here. Oscillators are grouping to the upside now, so we'll see something on the hour most definitely. So this 12926 is definitely an area of interest. But as I said yesterday, this is the one I'd rather be shorting off, and that's 13,077. This little move to the upside, sort of gone sideways right now, and that's just going into the close yesterday. Now, the difference here compared to the US markets is we actually did try and build a base here off 12,763, and we'll look at this on 15 minute. Hit our target. This pin bar is still a level you need to be paying attention to. So if we drop below that pin bar, you'd want to see a retest, and then you want to see a continuation down. That is the only bit of structure that we've got. And if we look at the 15, you'll see what I'm talking about. There's the fractals there. And you can see we got up there, we rejected it there, and we haven't really got past it. So we do have a crossover, bullish crossover of the moving averages, but we are below the 155. So still in no man's land for me. I'd really only be interested in shorting higher up, 13,077. Not really interested in shorting this when we see the oscillators doing what they're doing here. But that being said, you do have a 15-minute level here where you found support going into the close yesterday, and you found resistance as well. So a drop below 12,899 and a retest of that area gives you a fairly decent 77-point trade for 127-point gain. So there's a short setup that was brewing here, and then the converse is true to the upside. So I would just adjust this a little bit. Take out the highs of yesterday, which will take out the 155. Find some support. That's a range break to the upside. So break, retest, your entry is there, your stop is here, and you're looking for 13,077. So those are two scenarios we've got at the moment. Notice how this range is slap bang on the middle of these two levels. So something's brewing. Which way it's going to go is a difficult call, but only one way to do this is break this range to the upside, retest. You're looking for the upside level. Break the range and retest to the downside. You're looking for the downside level. That's as simple as it is today. So pay attention to this on the 15 minutes. You probably even get away on the 5 minutes. So you get a 5-minute break and retest. Good entry, 100-point stop loss. Long, same to the downside. Break, retest. Pretty good entry also, 77-point risk to probably 127 as well. 126 to the downside. And then 127 to the upside. So pretty much smack in the middle of these two levels. That's the only two opportunities I see today. So pay attention to the break and retest, and be prepared for fake outs, because institutions also know what I'm telling you. It's glaringly obvious. So they'll be trying to counter trade you to take the money off you. So just be careful of that. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.